Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down the PC and unplugging the PSU, safety first. Put on an anti-static strap and remove the side panel so you can access the PCIe area. Next, remove one or two rear slot covers where the GPU will sit vertically and keep screws nearby. Once done, inspect the case for a vertical bracket or mounting points. If none, plan for the supplied vertical bracket or separate adapter. Begin by aligning parts visually before installing the riser cable. You install the PCIe riser into the motherboard slot carefully, making sure the latch is seated and the contact is flush. Route the riser cable along the bracket path without sharp bends and fasten the cable's connector to the bracket mounting point. Then attach the vertical GPU bracket to the case using the provided screws, checking alignment with the GPU's bracket holes. Make sure the GPU backplate will clear fans and cables if spacing is tight. Adjust bracket height before inserting the GPU. You now seat the GPU into the riser connector, keeping it parallel and pressing evenly until it clicks. Avoid rocking motions. Once seated, fasten the GPU to the vertical bracket with screws and attach all PCIe power cables, ensuring tight, stable connections. Close the side panel partially and power on for a quick post check, watching for fans and display output. If something goes wrong, repower down, reseat the riser and power plugs, and review BIOS slot settings. That single reseat usually fixes contact issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.